Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making one-pan cheesy sausage pasta. Alright, I'm starting out here in a big pan I'm preheating. I'm going to add in some olive oil. Just enough to cover the bottom, probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Now I have one small onion I diced up fine and one 13-ounce ring of Polish kielbasa sausage. Any kind of pre-cooked sausage will work for this. I'm going to get that in there and I'm going to fry that till the onions start to soften up and the sausage starts to brown up. Alright, now that this went for a few minutes, my sausage is browned up and my onions are nice and tender, kind of caramelized. I'm going to add in some garlic. I'm going to add in about 2 cloves worth. I'm using the pre-diced stuff. And if I go over a little, that's fine because garlic's delicious. I'm going to stir that around for a minute. If you use fresh garlic, you're going to have to let it fry for a minute longer. Alright, now I have a cup and a half of chicken broth and a half cup of milk here. That's going in. I'm going to turn my heat up. I have it down on low. I'm going to turn up to medium. I have a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes here. This here is 14.5 ounces. That's going in juice and all. And I have 8 ounces of white egg noodles. You can use any variety of pasta you like. Just cook it to the directions on the pack of pasta. I'm going to stir that down there. I'm going to hit this with a shot of my seasoning. The McCormick's Himalayan pink sea salt, black pepper, and garlic. This is optional if you want to add a little extra seasoning. And that was just probably like a half a teaspoon. It wasn't much at all. I'm going to turn this up on high now to get this heated. Get my pasta down in there. Alright, I'm going to put a lid on here. I'm going to bring this up to a boil and then reduce my heat down to a medium between a simmer and a boil. And I'm going to allow this to cook covered for 8 minutes. I'll go in about halfway through and give it a stir. Alright, my 8 minutes is up. I turned my heat off, giving this a stir. You can see how that pasta drank up almost all that liquid and it's not done drinking. This is smelling good already. Now I'm going to add in about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Just clean that little bit off my stove there. I'm going to stir that cheese in there and melt it. Alright, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I garnished it with a little fresh parsley for some added color. Let me get in here and try this. I'm going to get a little pasta and sausage all in one forkful. That's really delicious, guys. It's creamy, cheesy. You have that well-seasoned sausage that helps season the pasta. You get a little bit of smoke flavor from the fire roasted tomatoes. Really easy, really delicious. A one-pan cheesy sausage pasta. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.